Hello guys, welcome all of you back with our database management system question set discussion series. Today we are going to discuss question set number 41. So let's get started. Here we have our first question. It says write relational algebra query to change the stock table to inventory. So in this case we have to use rename and this is called row. So we have to use row, after that the new name, after that the table name. So in this case we have used here row, then the table new name is inventory and the table name is stock. So this is our second question. It says use the user type table used to store user types. In the columns of the table, change the name of the column called user type ID to type ID. The name of the column called user type name to type name. Write the relational algebra query required for that. First we need to use row, after that new names and old names. In here type ID is the new name and then the user type ID is the old name. So we have separate them using the slash. So this is our new column name and this is our old column name, and we have used comma because we are changing more than one, and then again here is the new name and then this is the old name. After that we have to mention the table. In this case the table is user type. Here we have our third question. It says the brand table is used to store product brands. You need to change the name of the table to product brand. In the columns of that table, you need to change the name of the column called brand ID to BID and the name of the column called brand name to BName. Write the relational algebra query required for that. So we have to use row, then we have to insert new names and old names. After that we can insert the table name. So as you can see here in our question, it says we need to change the table name into this. So we have to change the table name to and then the column names too. So first we have here we have used row, then here we have given the new table name. So this is the new table name. After that we have inserted two brackets, and within brackets we can give new names and old names for columns. So this is our new column names, this is old column names, again this is new column name and this is old column name. So this is our table that we are going to use. This is our fourth question. It says there is a table called GRN item. To store the selling price of the product, the price at which the product was purchased and quantity of that product. You need to separate the columns product ID, QTY, unit price, selling price of that table. The names of the columns in the table should be changed in this way. The column called product ID needs to be PID, the QTY column as PQTY, the unit price column as P unit price, and the selling price column as P selling price. Write the relational algebra query for that. We have to find the column name, so we have to use a projection tool and we have to use row in order to change the names. First we have used a projection, then we need to mention the names that we are going to need. So in this case we are going to need product ID column, QTY column, unit price column, selling price column. After that we have to give the row, and then because we are going to change names in here, and in here we have inserted new column names and old column names. After that we have mentioned the table as GRN item. So guys, that's all for today. In our next video, let's discuss question set number 42. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.